As we have already discussed about supply chain management and its objectives. In today's topic, I will elaborate some benefits of supply chain management. As supply chain management is a series of linked processes such as planning, sourcing, procurement, manufacturing, delivering products, and getting paid. The numerous benefits of supply chain management are improved market knowledge, the three V's: increase velocity, increase visibility, and reduce variability, integrated operations, improved management of risks, and increase sustainability. We will talk about improved market knowledge. Partners in the supply chain begin to share their knowledge about the marketplace and particularly about customers. It takes some time for the organization to build trust before they share their key information. Between partners, valuable customer information can be shared, customer survey results can be shared, transaction records, sales and service representative knowledge, information from distribution points, information from retailers, and information about customer pool. Second benefit is the three V's, often called the three V's of supply chain management. Visibility, velocity, and variability are key elements of successful supply chain strategy. Increased visibility. Visibility is the ability to view important information throughout supply chain, no matter where in the supply chain the information is located. With better visibility, a supply chain manager can see the results of activities occurring in the chain. For example, a person sitting in warehouse can see sales data and replenish it through warehouse to the retailer stores. Increased velocity. Velocity is a term which is used to indicate the relative speed of all transactions within the supply chain. A maximum velocity indicates a higher asset turnover for stockholders. As there are four types of flows in a supply chain: physical materials and services, cash, information, and returns of products. Supply chain management impacts the velocity of these flows in a positive manner. Velocity is enhanced by supply chain management. Methods of increasing the velocity of transaction along the supply chain are relying on more rapid modes of transportation, reducing the time in which inventory is not moving by using just-in-time delivery and lean manufacturing, eliminating activities that do not add value, and speeding up the flow of demand and cash as well as the velocity of inventory. The more rapidly payments are received from customer, the sooner the money can be put to work in the business. Reduced variability. Variability is the natural tendency of all the business activities to fluctuate above and below average, such as fluctuation around average time to completion, average number of defects, average daily sales, average production yields. Variability decreases with good supply chain management. It works to reduce variability both in demand and supply. Also decreases the need to keep safety stock high. Integrated operations. Supply chain management integrated operations by requiring everyone in the supply chain to form partnerships with suppliers and customers. Integrated networks like intranet, extranets, and internet play an important role in forming partnership. Through integrated operations, access to any information about product is very easy for all partners. Through barcodes and RFID devices can give sales data, and through codes, product can be tracked anywhere in the world. Sales data can be used for forecasting and triggering operations along the chain. Number 4 is improved management of risk. All investments involve risk, including those made in any supply chain. Risk is generally defined as a hazard or source of danger. Supply chain risk is based on decisions and activities that could negatively affect information or goods within a supply chain. Risk management is the process of identifying risks, analyzing exposure to risk, and determining how to best handle those exposures. With supply chain management, the organization develops a risk management strategy in advance that address any contingencies by avoiding, accepting, transferring, or mitigating risks. Managing risk proactively gives an organization a competitive edge over its competitors. This type of proactive risk planning benefits the organization in a number of ways. It helps keep the supply chain flexible so that it can continue functioning despite disruptive events. Risks are shared among supply chain partners who will be prepared to work and play their parts responsibly. It prepares the employees, workforce, and chain partners with valuable, actionable information and confidence to handle all situations. And number 5 is increased sustainability. Supply chain management incorporates sustainability efforts such as the replacement of resources. Sustainable supply chain practices may include optimal plant locations, information technology network design, product or process design, logistics design, waste reduction method, and sustainable building practices. So this was all about supply chain management and its benefits. For more videos on this topic, please subscribe my channel and like the videos. Thank you.